Hi, I'm Nick Ubelt, part of Team 26, here to introduce to the internet the Schedu-YOU-Sistant, the scheduling assistant that puts you in charge.
Hi, I'm Charles Hansen. I'll be talking about our application overview. So, Schedu-Systant was designed with four direct users in mind: Tyler Nodell, Andre Walshuk, Abhishek Ramaswaram, and Jatin Mandhan. And all four of these members, these direct users, are engineering students at Purdue. And our GUI's purpose is to create a scheduling assistant that would help them create a team meeting time that everyone could agree upon. Yeah.
The opening GUI screen connects to the demo screen, contact information screen, code of conduct input screen, citation screen, and user input screen. From the user input screen, users can input a list of meeting times, which then leads to the final selection screen. The first feature of our Schedu-Systant allows team members to enter their code of conduct for their engineering 131 or 132 team. The file must be in a .txt file, which we specified in our GUI. Here you can see we are entering in a code of conduct under a .txt file that we already have saved in a folder, coc.txt. We hit click to import, and there's the file.
Hi, my name is Zach Schmitz, and I will be telling you about the contact information part of our GUI. This part of our GUI allows the user to input their basic contact information, and this includes their phone numbers, their Purdue email, their dorm, if they live in a dorm, and their address. This also allows the user to print the contact information of every single team member on a single page. Alright, so at the main screen, you click the Enter Contact Info button, and here you can input all your contact information. First, you can type in your full name. Here we have Purdue Pete typing in his name. Then you input your phone number. The recommended format is shown there. You don't have to put in that format, but it's the best way to keep it organized. Then you can choose your phone type from cell, home, work, or other. Next, you can input your Purdue email. This is pdpie@purdue.edu. Then you can select your dorm if you live in a dorm. If you don't, then you can go down and select other or not applicable. Next, you can input your address if you wish. 1 Stadium Avenue. Never mind. 1016 Stadium Avenue. Then West Lafayette. As you can see, there's nothing in the bottom line, and if you do that, then it doesn't show. This is what the contact info screen looks like.
Hi, I'm Shivam Chaudhary, and I'm going to talk about the demo screen aspect of our GUI. It basically allows the users to get instructions on how to use the GUI. You can access the demo screen from the main menu by clicking on the demo screen button.
The Scheduling Assistant is the main feature of Schedu-Systant. The Scheduling Assistant gathers input from the users via a system of checkboxes when they indicate they're available. Afterwards, the users are presented with up to 12 potential meeting times, where the users can select a meeting time and print it out for all members to remember when the meeting will be.
You can start scheduling from the main screen of our GUI. Meeting times need to be at least 2 hours in length because our direct users are engineers, and we figure that not too much can get accomplished in less than 2 hours. We continue this process for 1, 2, and 3 members. Some teams might not have a fourth member, so if they have a fourth member, they could select times, or they could just click the No Fourth Member button here.
Once all users have input their availability, they're taken to the possible meeting time screen where they're presented with the different buttons for possible meeting times. Once one is selected, they are taken to the final selection screen where they can print out their final selection for the meeting time so every user can have a copy of when their next meeting will be.
Now I'm going to talk about the citation screen aspect of our GUI. It basically just lists all the sources that we have used for the creation of our Schedu-You-Assistant. You can access the citation screen from the main menu.